Hi darlings, today I will turn this rotten room into a modern looking, clean room with my amazing and matchless design skill. While drinking my tea and relaxing, I will make my design was number 1. Now I'm starting with cleaning up. Yes, now my wall is done. I'm continuing by my floor. This floor actually relaxes me, makes me feel okay. Let's see other. This is okay too, more complex, but it has many shades of brown, and I can say it relishes my bedroom's interior with more colors. Actually, I prefer this design of wood more. It's less complex, and less complex makes me feel more solid. So I love this kind of wood more. So darlings, I will choose rather this one or this one. I must say I don't like this design of wood, so I'm picking this one. It looks more modern, more clean, more solid. Now time to choose my rug. I can't see properly, so first I will check them all. I didn't like this rug color. It makes me think of my poop, so I don't want to choose this one. This is okay. This is a light colored rug. It's harmonious with my floor color also. This is too oriental for my design. I love Scandinavian design. I don't like oriental design much, so I'm picking this one, darlings. Now I'm continuing ceiling. Oh my god, in this design I also design my ceiling, and it makes me feel so happy. This design isn't bad, a little complex, but also different. This is a plain ceiling. Actually, when I lay down in my bed and look at the ceiling, I may prefer to see plain, simple ceiling to feel more relaxed. This ceiling kinda claustrophobic. I won't pick this one, so I will pick rather this one or this one. But this one looks to me, I drew the ceiling with my crayons. It's not so good design actually. I mean, it has no so delicious design to reflect me, so I'm picking this one. Brighter the better. So now partition. Partition is a good addition to my bedroom. It gives more touch into my design, so I'm checking all my partitions. This is better partition because it has plants, and plants make my bedroom look more embellished, more beautiful, and makes me feel more relaxed, makes me feel like I'm in a forest maybe, or I'm in a garden, so I can have more enjoyment from more elements. Also plants make me feel better, so I may pick this one. This is good too, but it makes me remember old times a little. It looks like old times elevator door a little. So I won't pick this one. I want to pick this one. This is the most embellished, so I'm picking this one. Now time to choose my window wall. Oh my god. As I change my window wall, good scenery makes me feel much better, darlings. So my bedroom must be settled in a very scenery place, a very good place which has really matchless, really beautiful scenery. So this is a good window skin and window shape. I loved this one. I don't prefer the square cut windows. It makes my room look less spacious and even may make me feel like I'm in somewhere has no exit. Makes me feel again claustrophobic. I won't pick this one. Also this one has same tiny square shaped window, so I won't pick this one either. I will pick this one. This one enables me to see more scenery from outside and takes more sunlight into bedroom and moonlight in the night, so this is the best for me. Now time to pick my curtain. This curtain is good. I love transparent curtains. Also, transparent curtains takes much light and makes me feel less claustrophobic. So this is a good choice. Just the type of curtain a little classical, but it's okay for me. This is more modern curtain, but my previous curtain made my bedroom look better. Okay, this is that irregular curtain coloring. I actually prefer to make my bedroom look as much as pink I can. And also scenery has lots of blue from sea and sky. I don't need it in my curtain, and I don't like white on top, blue on bottom, 2 coloring or 3 coloring like this. I prefer rather pink curtain or kinda, warm colors or floral curtains. So I'm picking this one. Now time to pick my bedroom bed. First I'm checking. So this is a good bedroom bed. This is blue, fit with my general coloring. This is green, again fit. I want to pick white bedroom bench. I can sit on it and wear my stuff or undress myself more comfortably other than standing position. So it's a necessary furniture in my bedroom. That's good. Now time to put my bed on. This is a great bed actually. It is not so much embellished, it's plain, but makes me think of bungalows. It gives holiday cheer, vacation cheer to me directly. This is a good bed. This is kinda dark bed. I won't prefer dark in my bedroom as much as possible because bright and light colors makes me feel more cheerful and less claustrophobic. This is a good shape bed, but I will go with this one because I loved light color of wood on this bed, so I'm picking this one. Now time to pick my pillow. No. Oh my god, I don't like my pillow colors. But in these selections, actually this is khaki color of green and this is candlelight color of khaki color. So this is more fresh tone of green. So I will go with this one. Now time to choose my painting. My bedroom really gonna be a rainforest. This is a good pick. Harmonies with my plant on my partition and pillows. This is okay too actually, but other one was more suitable. This is blue. Gives a different addition of color into my bedroom, but looks to me a little vortex-licious, whirlpool-licious, and it doesn't give me positive feelings. So I will go with this one. I want to make me feel like I'm resting in forest while resting in my bedroom. Now time to pick my bedroom. Bedroom is a necessary cloth. When I wake up, I may be nude and maybe a courier on the door ringing my bell. So I need to go to door and open the door, and I don't prefer opening door while I'm nude. So I will wear my robe and then open my door. That's it. This is a plain bathrobe. I want to check others. This is not bathrobe, this is a dress. And this is a shirt for my future love actually. So I will go with dress. I can wear my dress instead of my bathrobe. So I look more chic. So it's better. I'm picking this one. Just colors a little far to me, but that's okay. Everything suits to me 100% because I'm such a cutie pie baby girl of the world. So now I'm choosing my paintings. These paintings reflects my color choices. Because it has pink, this is a good choice for me. Now, this sceneries from natural places. It reflects my philosophy of life. A seaside, a pier, and a beach. I must say it's relieving me, but I'm not sure. I'm in between this and this one, but this reflects me more. It highlights where I live at, and I live at in a very seaside, beautiful scenery place, and my paintings makes it more evident. That's good. I'm picking this one. Now, time to pick my cabinet. This is not a bad cabinet actually, a little hard to see because it has white shelves. I will check others. This is not a cabinet, it's a plant, but it's okay. It makes my bedroom even more rainforesty. This is a cabinet, I must say, and I can put my things on it and in it. So this is okay. This is okay too. This is okay too. This cabinet has more shelves to put more things actually, but it doesn't draw a good design overall. This draws the best scenery of my bedroom actually, but there is no shelves to put my things on. This shelf is okay but too plain. I want to pick again a plant. I want to make my bedroom more rainforesty, so I'm picking this one. Now, time to choose my mirror. For sure, I will check myself in the mirror. So, mirror is a must in my bedroom. This is a good mirror too. Actually, all mirror shapes are same. Just frames of them are different color, maybe even, and maybe also different material. I love this most. This one pairs with my bed color, bed frame color better, so I'm picking this one. Now time to pick my light. This is a good light. This tone of yellow color is suitable with my bedroom. Also the side table very harmonious with my bed frame. No, this is too dark for my bedroom design. This one is too also dark. So I'm picking this one. This is the most harmonious one for me and also reflects me better. Now time to pick my table. Oh my god, a cute table and apples on it. Another table and I don't know what are those. Looks to me mushroom. And this, I want to check closer, so I'm closing the menu. So let's see. This is a gray table. This is more suitable actually to my general interior. This is okay too. Actually, I will go with this one because it's easy to clean and makes my room look more fresh. Chair. I didn't like this chair. This chair is suitable for office room actually, not for my bedroom. This is okay. This is okay too, but I prefer my chair has arms on the side so I can rest better when I sit down in it. So I'm picking this one. Now, time to choose my dressing table. Okay, first of all, I'm eliminating this one because this is gray, not harmonious with my vivid colors of my bedroom. So I'm skipping this one. Actually, I want to say these selections could be better, but okay, I have to choose one. So I didn't like the mirror frame on this one. This is better. Actually, at least it's fully white and it's okay with my white parts of my bedroom. I'm picking this one. Now time to choose my decoration. This decoration has plants on it. So because it doesn't have stuff I would put on this furniture. So I will check others. This looks somewhat better. Finally decorated. Again, this one has colors very unfit with my total decoration. This is okay, but this is the best because it has plants and it provides a good addition to my rainforesty atmosphere, so I'm picking this one. Now time to pick my chair. This is a cute chair and its color suitable for my bedroom. This looks like a beer barrel, so I won't pick this one. This has blue cushion. I didn't like the color and style, so I'm picking this one. Now, time to pick my lights. This light's not so good because it looks like a simple lamp, so I'm taking other. This is better, looks more fancy. It's okay. This looks like a pine cone, so I won't pick this one too. I want to pick this one. This is fanciest light, so I'm picking this one. Now time to pick my decoration on here. This is very simple fan. I don't want to use it. This is a good plant. It has white flowers, suitable for my bedroom. This is good too. Actually, I love this plant more because it fills more space and brings more decoration to my room. This is smaller, so I'm picking this one, and this adds up more rainforesty atmosphere than other ones, so I'm picking this one. Now, time to pick my light. This is a good light. Its colors suitable for my bedroom. This is okay too, but a little too white, maybe. This is too oriental. I want to pick this one. This is most suitable lighting for my ceiling, so I'm picking this one. And finally, my bedroom is ready, and I'm so happy. I will design all my bedrooms in real life too. And watch all my vlogs. Thanks for watching me. I'm kissing you so much. Mwah. See you on my next vlog.